Do you ever feel frustrated trying to edit your photos and no matter what you do, they still just don't look right? I get it. I've been there, and honestly, this is exactly why I started creating my custom Lightroom presets, which are personalized edits designed around your photos, your style, and your vibe. Today, I'm going to show you how it works, why it's a game changer, and how you can finally get the bucket list worthy photos you've been dreaming of. Hi, my name is Alexandra, and I am the mermaid behind the Bucket List Mermaid. I am a full-time blogger and travel photographer, and I am here to help you spend less time editing and more time adventuring. Here's the thing, no two photographers shoot the same, and no two travelers want their photos to look the same, but they do want them to stay consistent over their entire brand. Whether you are a brand trying to get a consistent style, or you just want your Instagram feed to look nice, it is nice when everything does look the same. And when you are constantly just fighting with Lightroom, tweaking slides endlessly, it can get a little frustrating. And it can also be extra frustrating when you have no idea what your style actually is. So this is where I come in. I analyze your photos and I create presets that match your unique style. Whether you love bold tropical tones, soft dreamy pastels, moody mountainscapes, or warm golden sunsets. The result is effortless edits that look like you. Again, this is your brand, your vibe, and your style. This is not going to be a one-click Instagram filter that is so lifeless and everybody uses. So here's how it works in simple steps. Step 1, you send me your favorite unedited photos. Try to get ones that are your favorites, the ones that are in your portfolio, or just ones that define your style. Now, step 2, I will send you a form just to get to know you a little bit better, what kind of vibe you are going for, what adjectives you would use to describe your art and your photos, and even if you have some inspiration of what your style already is. Now, step 3, I study your style and I will build a custom Lightroom preset designed around your aesthetic. Now, step 4, I will send you back all the file types that I can possibly think of, so no matter what version of Lightroom you are using, you will be able to upload your presets. And then step 5, I'll give you short delivery instructions, or if you want me to make a custom video for you and your style and how to apply these presets to your own photos, I can do that as well, but you will get all the instructions in order to upload them to your Lightroom. And the last step, which is definitely the most fun, you would upload your photos, you would apply the preset, and then you would just make small, minor tweaks to make the editing process so much faster and giving you a consistent style for all of your photographs. I've spent years photographing everywhere from tropical beaches in Fiji to the peaks of Zion in Utah, and I know how frustrating editing can be when presets don't match your shooting style. That's why my custom presets are different. They're personalized, and the feedback I get from most people is people finally like their photos and they say, oh, this is what I saw in real life, and that's the magic. So if you've been struggling to get photos looking the exact way you want and photos that just look like you or your brand, this is the shortcut you've been waiting for. It is going to save you so much time, and it is going to make your entire brand or your entire feed or your entire photography portfolio authentically you. You can click the link below in the description to get my custom preset service and let me do all the heavy lifting so that you can spend less time editing and more time exploring. And hey, if you're not ready for custom presets just yet, I've also built a few signature preset packs based on how I edit my own travel photos. These are the exact ones I use for Instagram, blog, and YouTube thumbnails. They're tested on beaches, mountains, cities, and everything in between. I will leave both links down below so that you can check it out. If you want more travel photography tips, Lightroom tricks, and editing hacks, hit that subscribe and ring the bell so that you don't miss the next video. And remember, keep living adventurously through your lens.